I'm making more money than my teachers simply just selling snacks at school. And they kind of don't like me for it because you're only supposed to go to school for one thing, your education, right? Wrong. I go to school for education, sports, social, and to make money. But Rico, how do you make all this money? I make all this bread by selling snacks at school because you gotta wait till after school to go to your after school job at McDonald's. But I'm making more than you and my teachers. So that's exactly what we're doing. I'm gonna take y'all along with me while I sell snacks at school. So let's get to it. Now, walking on my way over there, it was low-key a little crazy. I don't know why. There was like 6 different police officers. There was like 10 principals outside, the assistant principals, the yard duties. Everybody was just out. I don't know why, even the teachers.
I'll take freedom.
And then it started to speed up because they dipped. And once they dipped, that's when I went into my full sales mode and I started hustling.
Everything to
I'm not showing y'all me packing my bag because you should already know how to pack your bag if you watch my video, which I'm gonna link up in the card if you haven't. So I take around 30 chips. I sell each chip for $2. So you guys can already see I made $60 in 10 minutes. I don't know what is the math on that, bro. So you guys can see how I'm making more than my teachers and how I'm making more than you, how I'm making more than any minimum wage job. So yeah. I know I'm not the only one that heard that, bro. Play that back, bro. Someone go play that back.
Orange, I get. 2. I want.
Hey, we got
what's up?
bag of chips for $1.
I don't even know if I got any. I'll give you airheads.
You have no limit.
Bro, they killed my lemon, bro. Like I had a full bottle and it was just gone like within 5 minutes. Then I went to my class, bro. Class was so boring. I already got a 4.0 GPA, so I'm just too smart, you feel me? I just sold that dude a Gatorade class. But once I got a break, bro, why do people keep clowning me for my sandwich, bro? I put hot Cheetos and ketchup on my chicken sandwich, bro. Stop tripping on my sandwich.
Two.
Fucking PS4 controller.
I don't know who took that dude's PS4 controller, but then I gave this dude 2 Capri Suns and he started tripping on me.
Damn, why you recording, huh? What the fuck?
I'm not recording all that.
Shit, nigga.
I know, let me see.
Bro, y'all be getting played, that's why I know. Why are you taking a picture?
So lunch was already slowing down, so I was like, all right, bro, I need to go make some sales. It's been way too long. So that's when I decided to start walking. I went up to this dude. This dude always buys from me, so I'm like, all right, cool.
$5.
Imagine the client.
You know?
You got a drink?
I got candy. I got the watermelon ones at the bottom. They want more. It's $2.
$2 for one?
$2 for 3.
Oh shit.
You want airheads?
So this dude sent me $6, so I already gave him the ding dongs, and I was like, hey, bro, what candies you gonna want? So I was asking him, oh, you want them Sour Patch? Or he's like, nah. And then he just got the airheads, bro. I don't know why it took forever to take them airheads at the box, and I just let him choose the color. He got some purples, and then he got some other blues and some reds, and then he was done. I was like, oh, bet. So I zipped it, and then I asked these people right here.
Hey, you want some candy?
Like, you know how like that was.
Now these dudes that came up to me, bro, they was low-key like one of my best customers that day, bro. He bought like so much stuff, and then I don't know how I found a pocket of blue airheads. Like blue airheads are usually the ones that are like gone first. So I don't know where they came from. They just spawned. So I hooked them up with that. They was going crazy.
Look at that one.
That's $3.
Real one, bro. You a real one for real.
Hey, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
$2 worth?
Great though.
Whites and blues and red.
What you got?
Candy, ding dong.
Hey, what?
Twinkies.
Twinkie?
Yeah, Twinkies. Take a look.
How much is that?
2. You want the cupcake? I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, so you save them for tomorrow.
He a D1 football player, so I was trying to bulk him up. That's what I was trying to sell him on, but he's like, nah, I got to cut weight. I was like, damn, all right, bro. But yeah, I respect you, feel me?
What is these?
Mine.
Like these.
For the $10?
$10?
Yeah.
You did not pay $10.
Hey, I'm taxing in school. What do you got for $1?
I just got airheads, or you want a cupcake?
Lunch was drawing close to ending, and I was like, all right, bro, I gotta make at least like a few more sales. So I went up to this group right here. This dude, he just wanted an airhead, bro. He didn't even have $1. He has his homie for $1. I was like, all right, bet. But bro, them shower strips, no, he was taxing, bro. He was trying to use what I be telling him. But nah, I can only do it. And then he was like, bro, hook it up with 3 for $1. I was like, nah, bro, I would, but only if I give you an orange. Nobody likes orange, bro. That's why I'm trying to get rid of them oranges.
I got straws too. We only got $1.
You have straws?
Yeah.
You didn't mention that, I
Yeah.
What do you mean you got straws?
So that's the last sale during lunch. I think I did make another sale in class. I don't remember. I made this sale after school. The dude was waiting. I was like, hey, bro, you want some candy? He's like, yeah. So yes, I am making more than my teachers, and I don't want to hear anybody coming for me in the comments because I am. Did you not see all that bread I made? Look at all this bread. I am.